When you're thrust into the wilderness, one of the most critical tools at your disposal is a good survival knife. It's more than just a blade, it's your lifeline. Today, we're going to explore how a well-crafted knife can become your most valuable survival asset. We'll break down essential survival skills using this tool, show how it can be used in various real-world scenarios, and share tips on how to maintain your knife for long-term reliability. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or preparing for emergency situations, mastering these skills could be the key to your survival. A survival knife is arguably the most versatile tool you can carry. It's designed to handle a wide variety of tasks essential for staying alive in tough conditions. Let's start by examining what makes a good survival knife. A few key factors to consider are blade strength and length. You'll want a sturdy, full-tang blade with a steel runs through the handle. That's not too long. About 4 to 6 inches is ideal. This allows for precise control and durability without sacrificing strength. Handle material and grip. The grip of the knife should be comfortable and secure, even in wet conditions. Materials like micarta or rubber offer great traction and longevity. A knife that balances durability and control can make all the difference when performing survival tasks. Fire is a survival essential, and a good knife makes starting one much easier. Use the spine of your knife, particularly one with a sharp 90-degree edge, to strike a ferro rod. The sparks will ignite dry tinder, allowing you to build and maintain a fire for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Always practice fire building in a controlled environment to perfect this skill before you're in a real emergency. In a survival scenario, shelter is just as important as fire. Your knife can help you craft various types of shelter depending on the materials around you. For example, you can use it to cut branches or notch wood to construct a lean-to or debris hut. If you have cordage, you can sharpen sticks to serve as pegs for securing tarps or improvised coverings. A good survival knife helps not only with preparing food, but also with gathering it. Use it to craft spears or traps from natural materials. Once you've caught food, whether it's fish, small game, or plants, your knife will come in handy for cleaning, gutting, and filleting. A sharp blade ensures this process is smooth and efficient, minimizing waste and conserving your energy. Survival often requires improvisation. Your knife can be used to carve tools, create fire-making implements like a bow drill, or even fashion makeshift utensils and containers. In some situations, crafting your own gear from natural resources is the only option, and your knife will be indispensable in doing so. Even the best knives require regular maintenance to stay effective. A dull or damaged knife can be dangerous, so it's critical to keep your blade in top condition. After each use, wipe the blade clean and dry it thoroughly to prevent rusting. Use a sharpening stone to maintain its edge, and periodically oil the blade to ensure it stays in prime condition. Taking care of the handle is just as important. Check it regularly for cracks or wear, and replace it if needed. A well-maintained knife will last you for years and could save your life. To recap, a survival knife is much more than just a cutting tool. It's your lifeline in the wilderness. From fire starting to shelter building and food preparation, the versatility of a high-quality knife can greatly increase your chances of survival. We also discuss the importance of maintaining your knife, so it's always ready when you need it most. By mastering these essential skills and properly caring for your knife, you'll be better equipped to handle any challenge that comes your way in a survival situation. If you want to be truly prepared for the unexpected, start practicing these survival skills today. Make sure your kit includes a dependable knife and learn how to use it effectively in various scenarios. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and check out our other content for more survival tips and strategies. Your preparedness today could save your life tomorrow.